welcome back everyone. I'm here with Eka. We're at the Munduk waterfalls at Munduk Village. Munduk Village. Stick around. Munduk Falls and Village are located just a few hours drive north of Sanur in Bali, so let's get into it. We're wandering all the way down to the bottom. A few hundred steps, is that right, Eka? All good? About halfway down, it's only a few hundred steps, but it's hard work. Keep cruising. Not much further to go. Down there, someone taking a dip and trying to decide whether I should have a splish splash at the bottom. Munduk village is one of the quieter villages in Bali, and the falls here are very easy to get to. It can be a little bit slippery, so wear good footwear, but they are a beautiful falls, and there's not many tourists here either. So it's not that far up. There's the cliff house at the top. Like I said, only a few hundred steps. And swimming spot there, and have a look at that. Oh man, it's cold. How big is it?
Hurry up!
Oh, you know what hot that is, don't you? Right, that's it, I got it. That's it, no more. No, not happening. No way.
You'll be warm and now it's wet.
So there's a little cascading one here, then I'm assuming another one up around the corner. It's slippery. If you were here, you'd want to wear good footwear. Very pretty. Keep going up. Away a little bit. Oh yeah. There's another little one up there. On a little bit of a ridge here, so you'd want to be careful, I think. But the ground's pretty stable. Just up the road a bit. Whew. Like all good fathers, I've sent the kids ahead to have a look. Man, this is insane. Okay, so the first two waterfalls were really easy. This third one, not even sure it actually exists. We might be just being led up the garden path. Whew. Well, that third one was just a little bit too tricky, so we're going to head back, have a bing tang, and then call it a day. I bit off a bit more than I can chew. I was saying how easy it was at the start. But anyhow, if you like this video, check this one out here. Thanks for watching. Be good, stay safe. Bye for now.